Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I took my space from this exactly thing you're seeing, to this exactly. So stick around, you want to watch the video till the end to see the whole process of this, okay? My name is Amide Peculiar, and if this is the first time you are seeing me, hi there. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if it's not your first time of seeing me, hello, welcome back again. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys a simple DIY trick I use to transform my content space. And one thing I did in this video was the audacity I had to not just paint this house, but to actually be the one to paint it myself. I don't know how it played out so simple in my head, but I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do this. And you guys, with my rentage being almost due, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not just going to wait till I pack into a new space before I transform my space. I'm going to start from here, okay? Now, this entire process took me 4 days to complete, and I kid you not. Hey guys, good morning. This is, I don't know if I'm in the frame, but I believe I am. There's noise outside. If you're hearing anything, please ignore. Well, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this is day 2. This is the next day after painting my house, and this is what it's looking like. I don't want to say I regret my actions, because bro, I don't know, the paint is not enough, and I don't know what you guys, I really do not know. But this is what it's looking like right now, and this is my major frame. This is the major frame I want to use for recording, and this is what it's looking like. I just hope, I don't know, I still have a bit of paint left. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is all that is left. This is all that is left. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to scrape the hell out of it, because a lot of part of this wall are still like, it still need touching. Then I went on to apply this glitters I had. Honestly, I regretted it, because see how it's kind of giving this aspect like a mark. All of these places, this has glitters, but I coated it again. So if I coat this part again, it will look, this part here will look like this part, which is something that I really don't like, I think. And this also needs coating. Well, I'm really just so tired. Then I want to add like a little bit of a design, a wall design here. I just hope it will come out well though. Then this part again also needs coating. Then this part, I don't even want to talk about this part. You see everything here, like this particular aspect of this wall is just messed up. So here also needs coating, up still needs like a little bit of coating. The only part I'm kind of pleased with is here. And now this paint is not even enough. Can you see the other part of my house? But I'm just going to leave it like that, honestly. Okay, so I went ahead to double coat these layers of the wall again. For my wall designs, I used plywood. Now plywood, you have to be careful not to use a nail to actually get the 4 corners, okay? So what we use the stapler to staple each inch of the wood together. I don't know if you get the carpenter stapler. Yeah, that's what we used. And then for the round object you see, there's actually noodles carton that we carved out in that particular shape to get what we actually wanted. And then we use a gum. Now if you can see an actual wood on the wall, okay? So we didn't gum these wall designs to the wall, we gummed it to the wood on the wall, okay? Because if you use a nail to hit the plywood on the wall, it's going to break. I don't know. I really don't know what to do, because I've tried. I've pulled it like 2 times, and it's still. I think I'm just going to press it. Nights are lonely, dark and cold. Take my hand, don't be afraid. I'll be the light that never fades. I'm so excited. I'm so proud. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of you guys. This is a disaster, to be quite honest. Now, if you have a solution for me in the comment section, because I couldn't even paint properly. Yeah, I couldn't paint properly. So yeah.
Gentle voice when you need to breathe through every tear, through every fight. I'll love you through the darkest night. When your heart is heavy.
Okay, hey guys, so we're done, and this is the final look. So unfortunately, yeah, this is where my paint stopped. So bad, very pathetic. So I have the rest of this part of this house like this and also inclusive of this place. Every other aspect from my wardrobe side like this down. I don't know if you guys understand, but this is from this end here, from this end here. Yes, from this end here down to this end. So that's the major work I have to do now. Not now technically, but I really don't know when I'm going to do that. I'm not so sure of the painting, but I'm definitely going to paint. I'm not so sure of painting now, but I'm definitely going to paint. So yep, this is what it is, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
No need to
Bye.
ask, no need to hide. You'll always have me by your side. Through the highs and through the lows, I'll be here so you will know. No need to ask, no need to hide. You'll always have